Set includes 1 table and 2 chairs. Sturdy wood construction provides a stable play space ideal for arts, crafts, puzzles, reading and more. Durable non-toxic finish is child-safe and gender-neutral. Tabletop and chairs are easy to clean, tested for lead and other toxic elements to meet or exceed ASTM safety standards. Assembled dimensions: table 22 width by 22 depth by 18 height, chairs 12.25 width by 13.25 depth by 21 height. Add the Homestead 2PC chair set W106301 and invite 2 more S to play. Top reviews from the United States. The best purchase. Seriously, I hate putting together furniture, but this was the easiest assembly, and on top of that the material was so nice and sturdy, and it is the cutest table ever. My son loves it.